Hi, I'm N. Arun Kumar from SNS College of Technology in the Department of ECE. In this PPT, we are going to see about application layer protocols, especially for HTTP. We are going to discuss. So HTTP is a hypertext transfer protocols. Whenever we are typing the concern domain address or website address, we are using this HTTP. So in this PPT, we are going to discuss about how the HTTP processing has been involved in the Internet Protocol processing. So the headers are identified based on the TCP protocol or UDP protocol. UDP is a user datagram protocol. TCP is a transmission control protocol. It may be used for wired and wireless communication process. These are all specified in these OSI 7 layers. All the 7 layers are occupied based on the number of bits which is to be transmitted from source to destination. So these are all the some of the layers and their number of bits are present in each layers, and the data has to be forwarded from the physical layer. Next one is IoT TCP IP suite protocol for internet access. Here the internet protocol suite is mainly used for transferring the data or address or bytes from one type of information to another type of informations. While typing the IP address or concern location of the address in HTTP port, initially it will be fetch the information from DTLS or TLS. So based on the TLS and DTLS only, we can able to get the data of the concerned name of the address. After that, it may passes to the transport layers. So in this transmission layers, the data are passed to the wired connections. If we are having any wireless connection, then automatically the data will be moved to the UDP datagram, wireless medium, so that we can catch the information by using a packets. The internet layer maybe version 4 or version 6, because in operating systems we are using 32-bit or 64-bit or 128-bit. So based on the internet protocol versions, we can able to get the data based on the versions. After that, processing data units are very useful to check the data unit based on wired or wireless communication. So in this PDU data unit will be checked the concerned location of the address as well as the number of bits which is transmitted from source of the income. Next one is the application layer protocols. All the layers are fetched by using an application layer only. Initially, we can type the data in HTTP or file FTP telnet. So the concept of port is each port uses a distinct protocol at an application layers. Because the application layer is the source, the domain name, it will act as a domain DNS, domain name system. From that we can able to catch the concern location or history of the particular website. HTTP port, initially the port number is having maximum of 80 bits. The layer starts from lower layer using HTTP protocol. The type of the port which is operated by 80 only. Next one is for example the URL of the concern HTTP is www.msceducation.com. For example, if you want to type this data in this application layer or URL means, then automatically the data has fetched the information through this website because of some UDP or TCP protocols. So the following steps to be fetched from HTTP. Initially, the data are fetched from port numbers. And then if it is .org, then automatically it will move toward the list processing. Then you can check the Wikipedia. If it is available, the data are available, then it show in the domain name itself, or else it will export from subdomain name. Other processing will be accessing from the net another resource like other wiki list of TCP or some other relevant information has to be fetched from the subdomain process. Client and servers. HTTP is a standard protocol. and it is given the information based on the servers related with the client's informations. The server responds by sending a response. If it is receive the response, then automatically we can able to see the concern information in the HTTP port. Cookies. The cookies are a real-time program which is based on JavaScript or based on the client server, which the mirror exchange may then depend on the cookie. HTTP state management mechanism is one of the tool which is mainly exchange information is cookies. These cookies are particularly using for exchange the bytes or data to the next addressing locations. Assessments. Applications of HTTP protocols. It may be used for file transferring applications, a very lighting process, able to transfer any type of data to client based on the object-oriented programming systems, OOPS concepts, and more or less it may be used for some specified applications such as GET, post, head, connect, put, delete, track, and options. These are some of the applications of HTTP protocols using in internet protocols. Thank you.